Viral quiz AI. Social media is dead. Good luck getting any reach, followers, and traffic, or sales if you're still stuck in the traditional social media loop. You spend hours of crafting the perfect pose, the perfect image, the perfect caption. You give your blood, sweat, and tears only to have it disappear in a matter of minutes. On YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, FB, they are all dead. The reach, engagement, and sales are gone. The ever changing algorithm of social media makes it nearly impossible to make anything stick with AI, millions of other competing and the shrinking attempt span. It's a rat race to stay ahead, and it's happening to everyone no matter how much time and efforts you put in. If you're done wasting your money, time, and efforts on stuff that doesn't work, then here's the hard truth: you need to adapt. Adapt fast and adapting right. Even if you are using AI, you end up using the same old boring videos that everyone else is using. And you getting shadow banned on social media and struggling to reach your targeted audience. It's never ending battle that you can't win. You just keep posting and hoping you could get luck with one viral video. But let's face it, the odds are against you and AI has made it even harder. But with first time, why is that? 99.99% not getting any traction whatsoever on social platform. What changed? What made it harder? What's the problem? Why is everyone feeling? The number one biggest problem is the importance of first 24 hours. 90% of the people lose the battle the moment they upload their video. How? Because they don't know how to get initially push traffic and momentum, and if your video fails to get responsible traction in this for 24 hours, it's dead. The algorithm and social media network. Biggest problem number 2: low retention rate. This is biggest challenge you never faced in your work hard to get someone to watch your video, but they don't even the last 2 seconds before scrolling down, and all social network know this and only promote videos that keep people engaged for longer. The problem third is oversaturation and competition. The competition is insane. No matter what niche you are in, everyone is using the same old boring videos and it's getting harder to stand out from the crowd. You need something unique, something that people will want to watch and engage with. But what I am about to show you, no one else is doing it. For a genuine reason, it's difficult. But what if there is a way to break free from the never ending loop? With 3 formula plus latest AI tech, you can crack the code to get thousands, millions of free visitors, subscribers, and sales without any struggle. How? With quiz videos. Yes, no one is doing it. Very few known about this secret, and the ones who do know are making a killing. They are ranking a million of views, subscribers, and easy money. You can easily take this traffic and turns it into subscribers, sales, and more. It's like tapping into a gold mine of free untapped traffic, and I will show you exactly how you can do it. So, why does quiz videos work so well? What's so special about them? You can see here. Soft drink quiz get 3.2 million views. Also 70 million views on quiz videos you can see on the screen. So here's the 5 reasons why you must leverage quiz videos starting today. First of all, unique and stand out. With everyone using the same old boring videos, quiz videos are breath of fresh air. They grab attention, curiosity, and stand out from the competition. Algorithm favors them. They have huge retention rates. People love to watch, play, and wait till the end of answer, and all platform pushes them to go viral. Viral and shareable. We all know how much people love taking quizzes and sharing their result on social media with quiz video. Your audience does all in the work for you. build trust and authorities. Imagine being seen as an expert in your niche, someone who provides valuable information in a fun and engaging way. Even more viral on short videos platform with the risk the rise of short video platforms like Shorts, Reels, and TikTok quiz videos are even more powerful. They are short, engaged, and perfect for those video platforms. And the best part, the algorithm loves them simply because quiz video give this social media platform what they want: higher attention rates and engagement. With the 3 formula plus latest proprietary AI tech. So I will introduce you to the viral quiz AI. Attention, this is so simple you beat yourself for not finding it sooner. New and unique, it's a world first only AI app that turns one keyword into hundreds of highly engaging, addictive, and viral quiz video in minutes for YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and more. Steal our 3E plus latest proprietary AI tech and generate ultimate traffic to your website, blogs, offers, affiliate links, and many more. See how quiz videos are generating millions of views on YouTube and Instagram already. Hot and 99.99% untapped. You can see on the screen how God is your general knowledge take 200% question 3.6 million. Can you guess a movie by emoji 4.5 million? And then lots of see the kind of results your bet users are already getting real proof. You see on the screen they're making millions and millions dollar. So might you thinking it will be more expensive and not worthy like that, but here is the real truth. The retail price of this only $97 a month or even more, but today you get everything at just a low one-time payment. Today only $17.95. Attention, price goes up again when time hits zero. But you can use coupon code quiz AI3 and you will get instantly